Welcome. This is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and today we're going to showcase this beautiful 2019 SLX 310 by Sea Ray. So come aboard as we take you on a tour of this wonderful boat. We're going to start on the back of the boat. So here at the Transom, we've got an extra large swim platform. Underneath it, we have the submersible swim platform. It allows you to go down into the water and makes a perfect place for your family to enjoy the lake. Here we have these great backrests along with 12-volt plug for charging your phone and then Fusion stereo control right here. As we make our way forward onto the boat, first thing that catches your eye is this Sure Shade. This extends out to give your family shade on those super hot days in the summer. You come into this oversized cockpit area. You've got tons of seating in here, along with a grill and refrigerator. And then down below, we have storage for a cooler. One of the disadvantages with a lot of open bows is that your captain and your co-captain are facing forward and they can't be part of the conversation. That's not the case in the SLX 310. This seat spins all the way around, so now everybody's part of the conversation. This boat is equipped with the Merc Cruiser 6.2 300 horsepower twin motors. It also has a teak overlay for the cockpit table. And of course, like every SLX, it is outfitted with quiet ride technology. Sitting at the helm, we've got twin Simrad glass dash. We have Axius joystick with skyhook. And of course, we had the DRS dynamic running surface. Great visibility here. We've got this great bolster seat, so you have the ability to prop yourself up if you need to, or if you just want to take a cruise. I've got great line of sight here looking through the windshield. As we make our way forward to the bow of the boat, one thing you notice is tremendous open seating area. Great comfort. I can lounge here all day. I have a nice armrest, great grab handles that are wrapped in leather. Tremendous place to spend the day on the water. One thing this boat does not lack is storage. Every seat up here lifts up for storage, but this is the centerpiece. This boat is also equipped with windlass, and we've upgraded to the stainless steel anchor. Thank you for coming along and taking a tour of the SLX 310 with us. If you'd like to see this or take a test drive on this boat, come see us at the marina here at Lake of the Ozarks. Or as always, you can visit us online at www.marinemax.com. Feel free to give us a call here at 573-365-5382.